Well, I guess if you start off at the beginning, there was a lot of bills filed on a lot of different subjects, but it was obvious that the legislature, they didn't really want to focus on appraisals this session, the appraisal cap stuff. They didn't really want to focus on, efforts to eliminate the property tax. So from my perspective, they really focused on the rate side. They tried to address local government spending. They tried to address non-voted debt and some things that have been kind of lingering around for a while, and rates on the rate side. So I was pretty pleased with that. But of course, we also got involved in a lot of, I guess, property tax administrative issues. That was where we spent most of our time this session. I felt like, many of the things we worked on got some, made some good progress. Some of them weren't very successful, but at least we got the conversation started. And if you look at the end of session, I think we got a lot of good stuff done. Not just in kind of ending the conversation on appraisals for now, but also addressing some fundamental issues with property tax administration. Through your bill, Paul, and a couple of others that we got to focus on, as well as addressing some of the rising issues that we've seen stemming from the locally elected appraisal board members, like local appraisal caps and multi-year appraisal cycles. So I was pretty pleased with the way that the session finished up, and I think that we got to start the conversation on some more complicated stuff that we'll likely bring back next time.